Thank you so much for coming back. As promised, this is part 2 of how to hand letter. I hope you tried the techniques I shared in the previous video and found it useful. If you haven't watched that one, pause this video and check the link in the description box below or the iCard above. Watch that first and then come back. So in this video, I will tell you different types of lettering. Of course, using different materials. So if you're curious to know how to letter with a pencil or a ballpoint pen, make sure you watch till the end. Now let's get started. Let's start with the faux calligraphy or fake calligraphy. This is one of the easiest methods to learn modern calligraphy using things you already have, like a ballpoint pen, a pencil or a fine liner. This is really useful if you are a complete beginner because all you have to do is write a letter or a word in your desired font. And then thicken all the downstrokes by drawing a parallel line next to it. Fill it with ink. And you're done. It is as simple as that. This is a perfect way to start so that you can figure out the fonts that works best for you. Next one is brush lettering. For this, you will need a pointed brush of the smallest size. If you are a complete beginner, probably the thinner the better. Lettering with a brush can be a little difficult compared to other methods as it requires more practice and control over the brush. Just take your time, concentrate on the strokes and see what magic you can create with your brush. Now let's talk about brush pen lettering, which is easier and so far my favorite. There are a wide variety of brush pens available in the market. My current favorite is the Tombow Fudonosuke soft tip brush pen, which is perfect for beginners. If you would like to buy any of those, I'll share a link in the description box below, so do check that out. First off, you should get comfortable with your pen. Learn how it works using the strokes I mentioned in the previous video. And then slowly you can get into actual lettering. you don't have any fancy supplies or don't want to buy all this for trying it out, you can start off with even a pencil. Make sure you didn't sharpen your pencil. We particularly need flat lead for doing this. I am using a Camlin 10B drawing pencil, but anyone with round tip will work just as fine. As I told you before, master with the strokes, thicker downstrokes and lighter upstrokes. That was it for this video. I hope you find this useful. If so, feel free to say hi in the comment box below. A like will also be appreciated. Until next time, bye.